Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia here. Today I am preparing flaxseed cracker. Yes, it's a lovely dish which you can enjoy with your dip, with your guacamole, as a nachos, even with your cheese sauce. It's a good evening snack. So let's begin with it. For this we require flaxseed flour. This you can make it at home also. Then I'm adding chia seed, black or white. Whatever you have, you can add to it. Now, this is a mixture which is rich in omegas. It is good for your heart and you should give it to your children, even to your whole family. Now add water to it. This you can carry it with you. This is a snack which can be easily carried. Now I'm going to stir it. As we are stirring, the mixture will become thick. It will form a dough type, So let's mix it up and we'll keep it aside for 5 minutes. So keep it aside for 5 minutes and see what happens. It forms a dough. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add crushed pumpkin seeds, crushed melon seeds. You can add any seeds. I've added sunflower seeds to it. Now add salt to it, red paprika powder and roasted cumin powder. Now add a bit of oil. Grease your palm so it's easier to mix the mixture. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients so that it becomes a homogeneous type of mixture. I have to knead it. It's like a dough. You have to knead a dough out of it. It's going to be a soft dough. See, the dough is made. Knead it properly and divide this dough into 2 portions. One portion I'm going to add some more ingredient, one ingredient, that is your cheese, and the other portion I'm going to make it like this only. So this cheese has to be mixed up properly. Keep this portion away. After making this cracker, we'll make that one. So now knead this properly, mix the cheese, and now this dough is ready. So take a parchment sheet, put oil on it and put the dough. Now we'll flatten the dough as thin as possible. This dough is pliable, so it moves very easily. See, if you spread it out, it spreads out very easily. This cracker is a powerhouse of omegas. Good for your heart, good for children, good for your joints, good for your brain, good for your all part of the body. It nourishes. It's like oiling your body. So do have it. Give it to your family even to have this. See how you can spread it easily. Make a fine thin layer. Now cut it with a pizza slicer so that afterward it doesn't become difficult to make small pieces. Now bake it in an oven. I have transferred it onto a baking tray. This is the oven is heated to 200 degrees Celsius and is baked for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, keep it aside for 5 minutes. Let it cool. Don't touch it, it's too hot. Now you can see it's cooked and we can break the pieces. The pieces are easily breakable. Why? Because we had already used the pizza slicer for cutting. So now we'll break all the pieces and we'll put it in a container. See, lovely. We'll do the same process for the other portion which we have kept. And these are ready. This you can have as nachos with your dips, with guacamole. You can have it like this in your tea time also, or any time you feel like. You can carry in your dabba, even in your tiffin, and store it tight in an airtight container. See, the cheese one, they are a bit light in color, light yellow golden color, and this one is a bit darker. So whenever you feel like, you can have it. So if you have liked my video, do subscribe to it and post comments. I would love to answer. Thank you.